Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DDW channel. Linux command series session 12. Today we will be learning chmod command. Let us see the Linux commands handbook by Flavio Pops and check what does this book says about what does this book says about chmod. Let's go to handbook. See here. It says every file in the Linux, Mac OS and Unix systems in general has three permissions: read, write and execute. We can check with the help of ls space -l command. If we put it, we get these details. So initially I have already covered this. Initially we get this 10 letter file permissions, so in which the first letter can be a D, hyphen or L. So D indicates directory, hyphen indicates it's a normal file, L indicates it's a link. And after that we have got three sets. First set is permission for owner, second set is permission for group, third set is permission for everyone else. So this is basically the relative permissions. समझ में आया? chmod can be used in two ways. The first is using symbolic argument. A stands for all, U stands for user, G stands for group and O stands for others. Then we can type chmod. A is for all, A plus R, file name. This will change the file permission and add the read permission to all. If we add A plus RW, it will add read and write permission to all. If we minus RWX from others, this will take out all the permissions from others. So let us do it step by step. In our OS, let's go to move to OS now to see what our OS says. Let's log in. We have come to this. Let us see what is there in it. We have got this one output.txt is also available. So let us ls space -l, see the permission. So this is showing blah blah blah, these permissions, 10 letter permissions I have already told. So clear, better to check ls. Let us check ls again. So let us see the permissions of file.txt. So ls space -al, file.txt text. So this is showing here 10 letter details, and then it is showing that owner is Ibrahim, group is also Ibrahim, and this is the file name. So we can change the file permission. chmod, say for example I want to change the owner. I want to change the file permission for the owner. So first three letter, let me explain you these things with the help of 1 minute. I will take you to file permission. So just see this file permission if you are able to see this in chmod command. So what you are able to see is this. in first here what you are able to see, these 10 letter permission. First letter indicates the files and all. So here file permissions, these 10 letters. Just go through it. First, this indicates directory, D indicates directory, hyphen indicates file, L indicates link. Okay, and next 3 letters indicates file access permission for the owner or user. Further, next 3 letters indicates file access permission for the group. Further, next 3 letters indicates file access permission for others. R for file read permission, X for file execution permission, and W for file write permission. This is a standard format, RWX. We cannot write WRX or XWR. No, this is the standard format for all files, be it for owner, for all user, group, and others. This one is for owner or user, this one is for group, this one is for others. And arrangement is like this: RWX, its equivalent value is 7, the value of R is 4, W is 2, X is 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1, total 7. RWX is 7. RW hyphen. So if somewhere RW hyphen is there or equivalent value 6 is there, that means that person is having read write permission only. If anywhere R dash X is there or equivalent value 5 is there, that means that is having read permission and execute permission. If another one is having R dash dash or R hyphen hyphen and its equivalent value 4, that means that one is having only read permissions. If having WX hyphen WX or equivalent value 3, that means that one is having write permission and execute permission. If only dash W dash is there or equivalent value 2 is there, that means it's having write permission only. If there is X only, dash dash X or equivalent value 1, that means one is having execute permission. If it is dash 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 or hyphen 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 or its equivalent value 0, that means no permission is allowed, no access permission is there. Fine. So in this case, see here, this indicates it is a file, and next RW dash, this indicates for this file.txt, the owner, here owner is Ibrahim is having read write permission but not execute permission. The next 3 letter RW dash indicates group. So here Ibrahim is in Ibrahim group by default, so that group people or group members are having read write permission but not execute permission. The last group, last letters R dash dash indicates file access permission for others. So anyone else trying to access can read only but cannot write or execute. Understood? So these permissions can be changed by the owner of the file. None other than owner can change, or a sudoer can change. So here since here the Ibrahim is the owner, now let us see, but there is a read write permission only. So let us see chmod whether we can change. Say if we do 777 and file dot txt, Let us check ls. Now let us check file permission. See, this has changed. File permission has changed since Ibrahim is the owner. So I have used this chmod command using 777. This is one method by giving numbers. I have already told you 7 indicates read, write and execute permission. 4 is for read, the value 2 is for w, and value 1 is for execute. So 4, 2 and 1, total 7. So user can read, write and execute. Similarly, group can also read, write and execute, or the user or the others can also read, write and execute. If you want to take the value out for the users, so we can see ch. You want to take the value out for the users, you can put 0 and enter. Now if you see the value, see the file permission for the users has been taken. User for the others, file access permission for the others has been taken out completely. They cannot read, they cannot write, they cannot execute. आसान है, कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, बहुत आसान है ये, आप समझ गए होंगे. अब इसकी कुछ भी वैल्यू आप रख सकते हैं. एक मेथड तो नंबर वाला है, दूसरा आप जो है से फॉर एग्जांपल हियर, अब इसमें हम chmod करके दूसरा मेथड जो है इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग नंबर याद रखना मुश्किल है बहुत आसान, मैं बता चुका हूँ. अगर मुश्किल है तो फिर आप दूसरा मेथड है कि आप रीड राइट परमिशन यहाँ पर इंडिविजुअली a equal to like this you can do. A equal to, A stands for all, we can say read permission, write permission. All can read, all can write. If I execute this, now let us see ls, this command is already executed. Now see the permission, read and write permission is for all. A is set to read and write permission. All are set to read and write permission. User, group and others can read and write. If we want to take away the value of, say, if we want to take away or set the group value, this is actually the easiest way. This is the easiest way. You need to remember this. A is for all. A is for all. You need to remember this only. If you write A, that means it is for all. If you write U, that means it is for user. If you write O, that means it is for others, not for owner. O means here for others. Understood? So if you want to, for example, you can check one by one. We want to set user as read, write, execute permission. So here we set for all read, write permissions. You are getting here. If we use user as read, write, execute, we are actually setting. If we have any confusion, this is the easiest method. U is equal to RWX. So this will set U is equal to RWX. Rest will, let us see, enter. Now see what has happened. See, if read, write permission were already there, X execute permission were not there earlier. Now execute permission has also been added. Understood? To RWX, U has been user has been set as RWX. Rest are unchanged. Similarly, this is easiest method. Similarly, if you want to change for, group, say I do not want, or I want to set this for groups as well, or I want that group group members be not allowed. So what I will do, read, write, execute, I will place hash dash dash dash, this dash dash dash. If I enter this and see, group permission has been set to dash dash dash. Group members cannot read write. See. So now if I want to change owner permission, others permissions, I will put others. Here at present others are having read and write permission. If I set this others as this, so now let us check. So this will give you, see, neither group nor others are able to read, write or execute. बहुत आसान है. मैंने आपको बहुत आसान तरीका बता दिया है वैल्यू सेट करने का. तरीके बहुत सारे हैं इसकी जगह, पर वो अननेसेसरली कंफ्यूजन पैदा करने वाले तरीके हैं. ये मैंने सबसे आसान तरीका, कुछ भी रखा हो, हमको क्या चाहिए वो वैल्यू हम यहाँ सेट कर सकते हैं. ऑल के लिए करना है तो ऑल सेट कर दें, इंडिविजुअली वाइज करना है तो यूजर ग्रुप ओनर्स की सेट कर दें. ये ज़्यादा आसान है. एक दो स्टेप ज़्यादा ले लें पर कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. समझ आया? तो लेट्स मूव टू handbook by Flavio Cox and check what it says about it. See, this we have learnt in great details. We have studied this owner, group and everyone else. For owner, the letter is used U, owner or user. For group, G is used. For everyone else, O, others is used. So this is, see here the read write function, change mode. A stands for all, U stands for user, S, G stands for group, O stands for others. So this is one method here. There is no need to place unnecessary. We can use this also to add permissions, but it is of no use to. You can. This is for you all to practice. आसान है ये भी, पर लिटिल उस चीज़ को खास ध्यान रखना पड़ता वहाँ पर कि ऑल की परमिशन चेक करो, उसमें रीड नहीं है तो रीड ऐड कर दिया, और परमिशन लेनी है तो माइनस कर दिया. अननेसेसरी कंफ्यूजन पैदा करने वाली चीज़ें हैं. बेस्ट तरीका A इक्वल टू और U इक्वल टू, वो जो तरीका जो मैंने बताया वो है. तो ये आप कर सकते हैं, आप खुद से प्रैक्टिस. अच्छा, ये फाइल्स के लिए, इन केस यू आर रीडिंग, यू कैन अप्लाई परमिशन टू एवरी फाइल कंटेन इन दैट फोल्डर यूजिंग रिकर्सिव. So if suppose chmod, if we put -r, this will apply recursive flag to all. ठीक है. So the chmod 777 file name, this also I have shown you, 755. So this completes this chmod. That's all now. इंशाल्लाह फिर मिलेंगे. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.